Morning everyone. I've got my little pal here this morning with me, little Bruno. He's a Morkie, a cross between a Maltese Terrier and a Yorkshire Terrier. And I am a bit biased, but he's the most gorgeous, well-behaved little boy you could ever wish for. Except he doesn't like other dogs, so he can be a bit of a nuisance when we take him for a walk, can't you? We're talking about you. And he's had a clip recently, so he looks all nice and smart. But he's just covered me in grass because he's been down where the grass has been cut in, so we'll forgive him on that one. Anyway, just wanted to say hi and to say thank you very much for all the followers again. We've 1,600 now on Instagram and over 5,000 views on YouTube, so fantastic. Please keep following us, and if you haven't had a chance to have a look at YouTube yet and you've got a minute, go and have a look and subscribe and ring the bell for us. It would be great if you could. So, as usual, I'm in the motorhome. Well, you can normally find me there. I'll just pop him down because he's getting a bit fussy. Brush the grass off. I wanted to show you this morning. You know, I spoke to you a few weeks ago about products for the van and cleaning. Well, I've discovered this one. You know, I like Zoflora. Well, this is a cleaner. It is Zoflora disinfectant, but it's a cleaner that cuts through grease and grime and claims to kill 99.9% of all bacteria, including COVID, which obviously is at top of our minds at the moment. So I'm using it. Well, you can see I've nearly used all of it. Even Henry's saying that he can smell the floral smell around the house and loves it. So I'm going to use it in the motorhome as well, on the surfaces, just to make sure that we're all bug-free, hopefully. And a good thing about this as well, I was reading this morning that you can use this again. It's able to be recycled, and you put 2 capfuls of Zoflora in this, fill it up with water, and then obviously it just becomes a disinfectant. It doesn't have the cleaner in it, but great, isn't it, to recycle and use again? So lots of I'm going to say flavours, I didn't mean flavours, lots of different fragrances, that's the one. And I've got Lemon Zing at the moment, which is brilliant. I'm going to try the others as well when I get a chance. But to be fair, I looked the other day in the shop and couldn't see any. So it's either very popular or has only just come out and people don't know about it yet. I don't know. But Zoflora multi-purpose disinfectant cleaner. Another one for your list, perhaps. Well, lovely day, isn't it, with the weather again? I hope it's not too hot for you. It was really muggy here yesterday. One good thing, I got all the washing dry virtually as soon as it went out. And I am enjoying the weather. As you know, I do like the sunshine. So hope you're all okay wherever you are today. Enjoy your Tuesday. Don't forget, happy motorhoming.